The Eurovent manure belt battery from Big Dutchman has set the standard for modern egg production ever since its launch in 1980. More than 40 million birds are housed in this system worldwide. This makes it the most widely used manure belt system. The Eurovent comes in various cage sizes and can be delivered with or without manure drying from 3 tiers all the way up to 8 tiers without any additional support. The cage system meets the European and Australian standards for caged layers. The cage has a sliding door which opens over the full front and makes placing and removing of birds very easy. Big Dutchman has spent a lot of time researching their suspended cage bottom wires. The combination of steel hooks and pre-tensioned wires makes the floor very flexible, minimizing egg cracks and maximizing bird comfort. Big Dutchman's champion chain has always been the basis of our success for more than 50 years. Excellent production results, low maintenance, flexibility, reliability and the ability to control feeding the birds are just a few advantages of chain feeding. The chain lies in a deep feed trough with an inner rim minimizing feed waste. The feed level can be adjusted on the cascade feed column, which is located at the beginning of each cage row. 2 stainless steel nipples are in easy reach of each bird, providing fresh water to the flock. The nipples are located away from the solid partitions and have a V gutter underneath to prevent any spillage of water on the manure belt. The solid partitions are bird friendly, keeping the birds better feathered and reduce bird stress and picking. The endless manure belt underneath each cage tier is made of polypropylene. At the end of each cage row, a scraper removes the manure from the belt. A double scraper can be fitted as an option. When running the belt, the manure drops from the scraper onto the V-shaped manure cross conveying belt, carrying the manure outside the house. From there, the manure can be stored or carried away on a truck as you see here. A unique feature of the Eurovent system is its ability to produce dry manure. An air duct, either small or large, depending on the local conditions and requirements, blows air over the manure through small holes. The air blowing over the belt has a temperature and dew point control by either an air mixer or heat exchanger. The air mixer shown here mixes fresh outside air with preheated air from inside the house. A high-capacity blower inside the mixer blows the air through the ducts directly onto the manure, providing each bird with fresh air while also drying the manure. Tests have shown that the improved climatic conditions caused by this process leads to an additional 1 kilogram egg mass per hen per year compared to a conventional system. Other advantages are low bird mortality, no ammonia buildup, and a dramatic reduction of flies as the manure only has to be removed once a week or twice when no drying is used. On the other end of the cage row, you'll find the egg collection system. Big Dutchman offers several options, such as the overhead egg elevator as shown here. Eggs are transported on the egg cross conveyor and can be connected in line with either a packer or an egg grader. Curves and risers are available. The conveyor is available in various widths depending on the capacity needed. The oiler comes standard with each system. The big Dutchman egg counter is mounted onto each longitudinal egg belt and is connected via an interface to the MC99 egg counting computer. From there, a printer can be connected and print the daily production per row, per tier and per egg belt. This gives you the best possible control over your flock. Unlike most egg counters, this counter is 99.9% accurate. A frequency control can be connected to the egg collection system. This can speed up or slow down the speed of the longitudinal egg belts. Connecting this frequency control to the MC99 egg counting computer gives you even more options. You can program the number of eggs you want to collect per hour depending on the capacity of your grader or packer. The egg counters will count the number of eggs in each cage row, and the MC99 will coordinate the frequency control to increase or decrease the velocity of the egg belts. The complete system will give you the exact number of eggs required within its limitations, of course. Fast counter-rotating brushes on the egg belts keep them clean. Dirt and dust drops into the tray underneath each egg belt cleaner. Silo weighing and controlled or ration feeding are other options Big Dutchman has to offer. For